Hello everyone and welcome to another Growing with the Gold. Today we're so excited to officially kick off our planting season. We're here in the research and development greenhouses, getting a bunch of seeds sown. We're getting into all our different mixes. We're going to be using our potting mix today, our planting mix down here. Beautiful. No perlite in this one. Works great for propagation and all applications. And our Old Faithful King's mix down here, getting in some of the larger cells, as this has the coconut husk chips. You want to use it in a larger container. So we're going to guide you through a lot of these seeds we're about to start. We're doing a wide variety of crops. We're just starting to get into some decent-ish weather here at the end of February. So we want to take you along on our journey to produce a ton of food for our entire staff and crew this year. So for these plantings down here, we're using some larger cells and our King's mix. And we're going to be using things that are larger starts and larger seeds. Our broccoli, our cauliflower, different varieties of both, some beans and some cabbage. And those are going to stand up to that a little bit coarser mix, a little better, get the results we're looking for to get nice established plants in these cells so we can go into the greenhouse. So all of these seeds we're planting today all came from our great friends over at Baker Creek Seeds, producing heirloom seeds from all over the world. Amazing varieties of everything you could possibly want to grow. Make sure to dig into what works well in your area and then follow the instructions. We've got really clear instructions right here. We want to get these about 1/4 to 1/2 inch on these. Check each packet. All these seeds are going to be a little bit different based on what's best for this variety, so follow the instructions. All right, these say 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. We're just going to drop these in our little divots and gently cover them. We're going to try and get 1 seed in each cell. If 2 get in there, no big deal. You can always thin them out later. The other thing we're doing here is we're going to try and plant like with like so that each tray can be treated the same. These cauliflower seeds here match the broccoli, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch depth, about the same sprout time, about the same ideal temps. Those are perfect bedfellows for our planting. So we've got so many varieties here. We're just going to keep going down along the line, get these all set, and at the end, we'll check back in to see how we've done.
Surprising!
So thanks for joining us on another Growing with the Gold. We've got almost all these seeds planted. We're going to get them watered in. Please check back in, follow along as we plant more crops, get these up into starts, get them into the greenhouse. Follow us all the way through. We'll be having fruits and veggies for all. Thanks for checking in. I'm Michael Beck with Growing with the Gold.